I'm going to start today's video with a question that I hope will not only make you think but also help explain why movies, TV shows have become such an integral part of our lives. And that question is, have you ever wondered how the choices characters make in movies reflect our own moral dilemmas? Welcome back to another video. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the intriguing world of moral philosophy, a subject that might seem like an unexpected guest star in our usual movie and TV talk. But trust me, this is one plot twist you won't see coming. We'll explore how the decisions characters make in the films and shows we love can mirror our own ethical quandaries. It's a deeper look at the narratives that shape our perspectives. Ready for the deep dive? Let's get into it. Now, before we pull the curtain back on the decision-making processes of characters on screen, let's quickly get acquainted with the guiding principles that make this video worth your time. Our first principle is respect. We respect your intelligence and your time, so no spoilers or tangents here, just straight insights. Next is engagement. We want to hear from you, so don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments section below. And lastly, there's exploration. This is a journey into uncharted territories, so buckle up for an enlightening ride. So let's embark on a cinematic journey through the landscape of moral philosophy. Consider the character of Walter White from Breaking Bad, a high school chemistry teacher turned drug lord. White's transformation is a study in moral descent. Initially motivated by a desire to secure his family's financial future after his cancer diagnosis, he gradually succumbs to the allure of power and money. His actions, though driven by what he perceives as noble intentions, raise profound ethical questions. Are his ends ever justified by his means? Does his transformation into a ruthless criminal signify an absolute moral corruption? Or is there a more nuanced tale of human fallibility being told? White's trajectory challenges us to confront the slippery slope of moral compromise and the fine line between good intentions and bad deeds. Next, let's shift our focus to the realm of superhero narratives. In Christopher Nolan's The Dark Knight, Batman's staunch refusal to kill the Joker, despite the villain's heinous acts, raises significant moral questions. Batman's adherence to his personal code of ethics, even when faced with the Joker's threat to destroy Gotham City, forces us to ponder the limits of justice. Is there a moral obligation to always exhaust non-lethal means of conflict resolution? And if so, where do we draw the line when faced with overwhelming threats to innocent lives? Batman's struggle to balance his ideals with the greater good compels us to examine our own moral fortitude and the sacrifices we might be called upon to make in the face of extreme adversity. In conclusion, the world of film and television offers a rich terrain for exploring moral philosophy. From Walter White's descent into moral ambiguity to Batman's struggle to uphold his ethical code, we've seen how storytelling can serve as a mirror to our own moral dilemmas. By analyzing the choices characters make and the ethical quandaries they face, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of right and wrong. So the next time you find yourself engrossed in a compelling narrative, take a moment to consider the moral questions it raises. You might just find that the answers lie not in the plot twists, but in the reflections they ignite within us. Now I want to hear from you. Which character do you find the most interesting in terms of moral ambiguity and why? Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Your support means everything to us. And for those of you who are always eager for more, here's a sneak peek into our next video on. See you there.